This is Alex from Techaeris.com, and we are at CES 2019 taking a look at Royole FlexPai Flexible Phone, and Peng Wei is going to introduce us to it.
Hi, this is the world's first commercial foldable smartphone. You see, it's a pad, like the pad, a tablet. It's a 7.8-inch diagonal, fully flexible AMOLED display. But actually, it can be bendable because using the flexible display and the sensors. So you can see I can bend it, and the operating system can automatically adapt it with different folding mode. You can see the screens like this. Because we are using the flexible display as plastic, so there's no broken screen anymore. So no need to worry or spend a couple of $100 to replace your broken screen. Especially it solves the conflict of the portability and also the large screen video experience. And this is the first commercial available portable smartphone in the world with our own flexible display technology. And because we have our fully flexible mass production line, is currently running to produce the fully flexible panels to supply all the products.